What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Crow, one of my favorite projects. This is one of my largest bags. So my average price is 0.08 cents. Sorry if you can hear that. The washing machine is having a severe reaction. It's just going through its spins, having a seizure. So we're sitting at 12 cents. We're up 20% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 3.44 billion, 24 volume 193 million. So if we look at Crow off the bear market low, we have that beautiful wave one up, and now we've gone through the wave two pullback, and now we're starting to push up in the wave three, and now we'll take you all the way up to 28 cents. My average price is 0.085, so I've basically got in right at the lows here, so I'm very happy with that. Currently I'm staking it for 10%, and I'll just keep staking it until I'm ready to sell. So wave one up, wave two pullback. So in the short term, take a trend based wave extension from the bottom of the wave one to the top to the bottom of wave two, and we're having an overextended wave three. So it can pull back at any time because we've already met the 161.8, but if it does continue to overextend, then you would target the 261.8, which is all the way up at 15 cents, which is basically almost a 1x, a 100% gain from my break even. So I'll be quite happy with that. But if we do pull back from here, then we look for a wave four, push back in a wave five. This is a bull market, guys, so price can explode at any time. So just take technical analysis with a grain of salt. So in the short term, 15 cents is a target for the wave three unless we pull back from here, and the larger wave count off the bear market low will take you all the way up to 28 cents. I do think we could see at least a $2 to $5 Crow in this bull run. I think that's very attainable, especially with the previous all-time high, which is all the way up very close to $1. I do think we could see at least $2 to $3, and if we have a super cycle under Trump, then maybe $5 for our friend Crow. Incredible project. I think it will be at least $10 in the next 10 to 15 years, maybe 20 years, just with all the sports sponsorships. And of course, all of you guys know that UFC, Formula One, all that good stuff. That's what I'm looking at for Crow. If you're looking for an exchange to trade on, make sure to sign up to Bitfinex, one of the few exchanges for trading futures in North America. No KYC, no VPN. It can be used all over the world. You get 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link down below. Make sure to sign up to my Discord, which is currently free. That may change in the coming weeks, but I do give crypto analysis, my trade setups, my Forex trade signals, and we have one of our members that's giving trade signals all day long. All links down below. Go check it out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.